Hey friends, so you want to apply Studio Ghibli style animation to your images and you don't have ChatGPT paid or pro? So today in this video I will explain you, I will show you 5 incredible websites from where you can apply, you can implement studio style Ghibli animations to your images and free. So let's move to my computer screen.
So now you can see the first website that we will open. It is photor.com. Photo R you can also pronounce as you wish. Photor.com. So here you can see this is online photo editor for everyone. Here you can see in the AI tools you will find here Ghibli AI generator. So you can click this and it will open. So instantly convert images to Studio Ghibli styles with our free online Studio Ghibli filters. No skills needed. So without any complicated skills, you can convert your images into Studio Ghibli AI. So convert photo to Ghibli style now. And we will select this image. This is my son. So it will convert the photo into Ghibli style now. And you can see like the style we can select Ghibli style 1, 2, it's up to you. Let's try again upload image or you can see it's already in process. So AI is transferring your image into a masterpiece. Please wait. So till then we can open another option. Like this one is Flux 1.ai/studio-ghibli. So those you can see this is like Flux AI Ghibli free Ghibli AI generator. So it can also transform photos using the Ghibli AI art generator. So we will drag and drop or browse, upload and standard and generate image. 6 credits. So please sign in to use this feature. So you can sign up here and we will use the email. And continue. And we need to add the code that we will receive on our email. So once you give the code, it will redirect to this page. So here you can see Flux AI image generator. So actually what we were trying to do, you can find here under the magic tools like Studio Ghibli AI. So you can click here and now upload again. And this time standard and generate image 6 credits. Let's see the first tool. Incredible. You can see here we have converted, we have generated our image into Ghibli style. You can see it is looking amazing. Make sure, let me show you the real image also, so you can see like this is image and here you can see amazing. See, and here you can see page also and the lines also, everything you can see here. So it's amazing. So this is the first tool that you can find from photor.com. The second tool that we were trying here, so we can see here like magic tools and Studio Ghibli AI. And it is opening. Till then we can see another tool, that is insmind.com/studio-ghibli-filter. So here you can also upload your photo and see this is the photo, and here you can see Ghibli and generate. This will also ask you to sign up, so you can continue with email. So here you can type your email and here you can type the password. So continue and continue with email and actually I have this So let me change the email. Incorrect password or account. Okay. So let's try till then the second tool. Upload again and generate image. So it's submitting to Flux AI, you can see. Until then, we can also open another tool, that is flexclip.com/AI/image to image. Here you can see, for example, this link. So we can upload image, this one, and you can see Ghibli one. So we can also give prompt, but we are generating from image. So click on generate. So you can continue with Google or email. Continue with email. Verification code we have to open here, type here. So once you give the code, enter the code that you receive on your email. Now you can type your password here to process the registration once you're done. So you can see now it is generating. And one more tool like grok.com. And this one also we need to attach images. So you can sign up here. And let's see, like we did with photoart.com. And maybe, like the internet speed due to this. Let's try once again. And this one also generating. And here the sign up process, like let's try with this email. If I don't have an account, let me check. Okay, no worries. Let's try once again. And see this one. Perfect. FlexClip has generated amazing. You can see this and the images here. See? So this is now, we will sign up again. We try. So let me try once again to sign up. Email already is registered. So we will change the email to maybe this one and sign up. Now we need to refresh because, the Cloudflare, process. Yes, this time we have, and so we need to check our email. So verify it from there. So I have verified the email. So I just paused the video because that was my email. So continue. So once you have done, okay, now here you can upload the file. And here you can type, for example, transfer it into Ghibli style art. And click this, and we can also check this image. This website insmind.com, it was not continuing like with email, so we can continue with Google. Let's try once again. If incorrect password, okay, so we can try with Google. And this, okay. So here you can see now I sign in. So just click on Ghibli and generate. If turn into sketch cartoon and more and purchase, no, we will style choose Ghibli too. And there should be credits because I just changed the email. So this one I have already used, so sign out. So we will use another email. So let's try login, sign up, continue with email, and let's try with another email. Or let's try with another Google account. So give me 1 minute. Until then, you can also see this one we generated with Grok. Amazing. Like, not bad. You can see. And this one. And also we did this. And also we did this. So we will go to this, and this time I will sign in from here and continue with Google, and I will use the email of my wife. So this is sign in, and yes, so now you can see we have 3 credits. So upload my photo, the photo of my son, and you can see generate, and it will generate stunning Ghibli style image. You will have to wait few seconds. So it's generating. You can see how we did amazingly with this tool also, and with this tool also we are doing here, and see, amazing. See, if you see the original image, see this one and this. So stunning, looks stunning. And this one also looks amazing. So you can download it from here. If you want re-upload, you can download it from here. Download standard. So it will download. You can open the image. See, same thing like if you come here, so you can see you can download it from here. So download preview or HD, you need to use free trial. So it will download and it's here. So amazing. So these are the 5 tools you can use. Only like some tools, registration process is, something not too much complicated. So just you need to register, sign up and log in, and just, apply Ghibli style animation to your images, and without ChatGPT and without pay even a single penny. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, so they can also learn these new skills and they can increase their professional skills. And also make sure that you press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.